Hi everybody, today I will show you how to change background color in Canva. To do this, first of all open your Canva project that you want to change the background color for. Now, simply click on any empty area on your file. Now, you will see these options from which you're going to click on this a small circle that is background color. Click here and you will see different colors appearing just right here. Now simply choose the color that you want to apply as your background. What you can also do is click on a gradient that you want to apply and your background color will be changed as a gradient. You can also click on add your brand colors, choose color palette and enter the hex code of the color that you want, or you can also choose from this range of colors by selecting the circle and then choosing a shade of it, then clicking save. After you do this, select the color and your background color will be instantly changed. So that's how you change background color in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.